today is the
hungry. Yeah.
23rd of June, so quite a few days after our last video. We've not long just woke up. I ended up waking up late for school because I had a really bad headache last night, which is not very often I get headaches, but I had a bit of a stressful day yesterday. But the kids are all up, so I've decided, because Amelia didn't end up going to school today, we was going to limit the times on electronics because we don't need to be on them all day. And they're just currently playing Heads Up, which yes I know is on electronic, but it's a game. They're playing a game, but they're not allowed to go on anything else. And then we're going to go out later and go on the bikes and on the field because it's a very, very nice day today. But they're all just doing some acting it out on Roblox, on Heads Up.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't know it. Soldier. It's already been done. It's already done. Stop.
Isaac doesn't play it properly. He just says he's won the game all the time by putting it down. No, you've got to guess. Isaac, that's not the aim of the game, buddy. You can't just do that.
He's cheating.
Isaac.
It's upside down.
I guess he doesn't want to play.
That way. Okay, you're not playing then. No.
So I'm all ready. My hair is constantly a big mess, so it's just gonna have to stay like that. But I need the kids to get ready because we need to go to the shop and go for a little walk. Not on the bike. Yes, you can go on the bike. So I'm going to get the kiddies ready and we'll go. Hello. I really need to paint that wall. It looks terrible.
I need to brush my hair.
Go get ready then and we can go. We just got back from the shop. I bought the kids a little ice lolly because it's quite warm today. It doesn't look very warm, but it's boiling. I've even had to take my coat off. So I bought them. Don't mind the mess in here. I've got cardboard boxes to get rid of. I bought them some knobbly bobblies, didn't I? Yeah, so I'm just going to eat them. I'm going to make the kids a smoothie. And then we're going to head out for a ride. But we've got some bananas and some pears that need eating. So I'm doing a banana and pear and raspberry smoothie because I bought some raspberries at the shop. Yum. Nice smoothie. Yeah? Yum, yum, yum. Delicious. You all like smoothies, don't you?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mummy bought us a nice lolly.
I did. And they do you some good. Mummy needs to lose some weight since coming back from America.
Mum, I haven't even had a smoothie in...
Long time.
Yeah.
Yes, before I went to America I was 11 stone 9. I'm now back up to 12 stone 9. And to say, before I lost all my weight, I weighed 17 stone 2. So I've lost a lot of weight. You've probably not seen like a full length of me. That's not going right. But yeah, I mean I still need to lose weight, but compared to what I was, I have lost a lot. I've lost a lot, but I'm trying to get down to a size 10. 12, 10, something like that. I'm currently a size 14, so it's better than the size 18 to 20 I was in. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling and make some smoothies. delicious. They're so tasty. Banana, pear and raspberries.
That is really nice.
It's yummy, isn't it? Yes, because some of the bananas needed eating and the pears needed eating, so sometimes you don't always want to eat a bit of a funny looking pear or banana, so turn them into a smoothie and you get all that yummy goodness. And it tastes delicious. How's your smoothie? Oh, you got a smoothie moustache. Let's see.
It's a good smoothie.
Can you see?
It's a good smoothie.
Do you like your smoothie too?
Yeah.
It's nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Look.
And you?
Look.
All gone. Yeah, because some of the smoothies I've made before you haven't liked, have you? This one's a yummy one, isn't it?
Yeah. Look how much I've drank so far.
Oh,
Nice.
nearly all gone.
Nice. Oh, baby.
Yum.
Look, it's so delicious.
So we're going to enjoy these smoothies for 5 minutes. I looked at my arm like I had a watch on and I don't. For 5 minutes and go out on the bikes for a little bit because it looks like it's about to throw it down. So hopefully we can get in half an hour or so of fun riding the bikes before we have to come in. Oh, look at you. You muck tub. Wait, all up here? What happened up there near your eyeball? Typical Isaac, gets it everywhere. And you've got one now. Muck tubs. So when I was in America, John taught Elliot how to ride his bike.
Elliot.
And he's got really good at it. I
Elliot.
now need to teach Isaac how to ride his bike because he's old enough to ride a bike now. I just haven't taught him yet. Wait there, buddy. Elliot obviously needs his new bike. It's very little. So you learned how to ride your bike, didn't you? You're gonna show everybody. Woo! Well done, buddy.
So then I can ride her bike because my bike broke at the park, didn't it?
Did it? Why? What happened to it?
I don't know.
Where is it?
It's in that shed now.
Ah.
The shed what Dad put all the bikes in. One of the pieces in my bike fell off and I don't know.
Oh, we'll have to see about getting it fixed. But yeah, I just need to teach you to ride a bike now, don't we, bud?
I don't want to ride one of them bikes.
Why? It's so good. It's so good. You want to try?
You've read it so short. On fly.
Mum, Lan's not letting me have a go.
Let me have a little go, darling.
When I get in there, can you choose?
No, but you ran the shop and back.
Just let her have a go. She hasn't had a go yet, sweetheart. You can take it in turns. I know it's rubbish only having one bike.
For my
Yes, unfortunately because Alana's bike broke, we've only got Amelia's, and Amelia's a little bit too big for that bike now. So Alana just told me the bike that Grandma bought is still at Grandma's house, so we need to get that back off Grandma. And then you can go on your bike, and then Amelia can go on her bike. I mean, they're still a little bit too big to ride them. They're still a little bit big for the bikes, but they can still ride them.
Yeah.
Just so when we go on a walk like this, one of them doesn't get left out. So everyone will have a bike. I need to get a bike now.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Remember, there was a bat here.
A bat, yeah, remember, look, there's pigeons all up there. Hello, hello.
Shoes still up there.
I know, someone puts shoes on them all the time. Strange. Come on, Amelia, speed up to us. Woo!
There's still them two there. 2 more to go. See, it's so low.
Is it?
I know how to cat and put it higher.
We're going to start heading back that way in a minute.
Hi guys, we're just heading back off to park.
Because I think the parks are open now, aren't they? You said
Yeah.
All the gates and stuff are being taken down.
Yeah, and this place where everyone can do clubs and that is open. It was shut, so now it's opened. I'm walking. Me and Amelia have to share a bike, So she's on the bike now, I'm walking. And it's this bike track, isn't it?
Yeah, it's a nice bike track. It leads you to another park all the way down there.
Yeah, and that's what we're walking on. But it's muddy and that. Along places, so we have to walk around it.
It's not too bad though, is it?
No. Sometimes it is bad, but it's not today.
No, it's been nice and sunny today.
Yeah. Mum thought it was going to rain, but it wasn't.
It looks like it's cleared up a bit now.
Yep. We're almost by the park. There's this bit where everyone can go on bumps and that in the park, isn't they?
Yeah, you can go on.
And I love going on that.
So we are home from a nice walk. My hair is always looking crazy. We had a nice walk. The kids went on a little bike ride, and then we went to the park for a little bit because I thought parks were closed, but they're not, they're open. But Alana really wants to learn how to crochet because I have been making a baby blanket for a family member. She's having a baby. She doesn't know what she's having yet, but I wanted to do like a neutral coloured baby blanket. It's not your typical looking baby blanket, but I like it. I'll show you it. So this is the baby blanket I have been crocheting. It's longer than this, I've just doubled it over to show you. So these are the colours, and Alana really would like to learn how to crochet. To begin with, I will teach you how to do the simple slip knot, like crochet in one and stuff like that.
What Mum's using, and this is what I'm using.
Yeah, so shall we get ready to teach you?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, the colour I would probably recommend for you is that one, that grey one to begin with, so you can see the stitches. It's harder to see the stitches on lighter coloured yarn. So I'll get a colour and then you can get a colour, and then I'll try and teach you how to do it, okay? So the first thing you have to do, you need to make a slip knot.
Where are you?
So depending how you do it, I usually put it like that and then pull it over like that. Want me to do that slower to show you? Right, so wrap it around your fingers. Might be easy if I show you this way. Wrap it around your fingers like that. And then this one, bring it up there, around the back, and then pull. The tricky thing for you will probably be holding your thing. Sit with your back against here, so then we're both the same way, and then I can show you it. So what I usually do, I usually put the thread underneath and then round.
Use my right hand.
You use your right hand to crochet with.
Yeah.
So put in your right hand.
Yeah.
Right, get your wool so it looks like this. And then I bring it round my finger like that. Right, you just want to hold it really thin. You don't need to hold it, it's just so you've got room to... Can you see how it just flows through my fingers like that? Alana's been practicing really well with the crocheting. She's just trying to get the hang of holding the wool, because when I first started crocheting, that was one of the tricky things that I found, was holding the wool properly.
And it's getting a bit hideous, so then it just goes all weird and that. And then next time I do it, like the second bit I do, it's perfect.
Ooh, sorry about that. I'm very tired today. Yeah, so she's just practicing. I said if you just practice on how to hold the wool and then practice them first few stitches, once you get the hang of that, you can pretty much make whatever you want. You can make scarf, you can then
Like
go...
this just comes off and then I'm like, how do I get it again? Then I have to keep on restarting.
You need to make this circle a little bit smaller. It might be because it's just a bit too big. Yeah.
That's small.
Yeah, you only need it teeny tiny. Just enough to get your crochet hook through. But yeah, I did a different sort of stitch for my blanket. Let me get it out and I'll show you it properly. Give me a second. It's just done it! So she got the first couple of things done.
Yay!
Yay! Good girl! Well done!
I was saying hook it, flip it, wrap it.
That's it. If you keep
Hook
doing
it,
that,
flip it, wrap it.
yeah. And then if you keep practicing that, you'll be able to make a big long chain of them.
Yeah.
Well done.
All you
And
need
then Elliot likes the blanket. Jump up, bud.
Oh, it's nice, isn't it?
Jump up, buddy. So this is the blanket. This is how big it is at the moment. It's obviously for a baby, so this is how wide it's going to be. I want it a little bit longer. I mean, I don't know which way they plan on wrapping the baby up, but I was going to make it longer so then they could put baby down this way. This is probably a decent size for a baby, but I like to have a big chunky blanket. So not too big, but not too small. But I've decided I'm going to border this, so I'm going to fill these triangles in so it's a square blanket but still has the mountain zigzag pattern, whatever you want to call it. But I love it for my first baby blanket. I don't think I've done too bad. It's very, very good. I used to crochet baby hats a while ago when Elliot was born, premature, and I made 10 little baby hats. But I really wanted to give myself something to do, and well, started crocheting a blanket. What's going on with me?
Can you crochet me a bigger blanket?
Elliot wants me to crochet my blanket. Isaac wants me to crochet my blanket. Everyone wants me to crochet blankets. But I have ordered some wool to make a special blanket for somebody. I'm not saying who because I don't know if they're going to end up watching this. A very special blanket just to remember someone by. So that's what I'm going to do, and I can't wait for my wool to come to start it because it's going to be a very tricky one to do, and I'm up for the challenge, so that's what I'm going to do. And hopefully they love it, because when I saw the design of the blanket I loved it, and I knew, well, I kind of knew that they would love it, so fingers crossed they do. It's going to take me a while though.
Hey guys, look what I've done so far. It's pretty good. Lot. Isn't it, Mum?
Yeah, you've done loads, and then you just keep practicing and practicing.
It's gone a bit wrong, but
able to do loads.
it's gone a bit wrong some places there, but it's still good, isn't it?
Yeah, very, very good effort, Alana. You've done a superb job.
Yep.
And she's very happy about it.
It was quite
Complicated.
yeah. But now I did it. It was hard to start with the first bit, but soon I got it. It was much more better, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was a lot
I kept on saying, hook it, flip it, grab it, and I did really good.
You have. You've done really, really well. Well done, sweetheart. So Alana did really, really well with her little bit of crocheting. It's a little bit later on, but I'm very tired, so the kids are going to bed now. It's about 8:30. What time is it? About 8:10. So the kids are all going to bed, and I'm going to bed because I'm tired. So
It was
thanks.
nearly as long as
As you, wasn't it? Yeah, we should have showed them. It was very long. Should have been practicing lots and lots and lots.
But it wasn't all straight.
Just keep practicing and you'll be able to do it, won't you?
Yeah.
Yep.
How do you put like different colours on?
I'll have to show you one day. So I'm going to end this vlog here. If you liked it, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye!